get our wig cap or our base ready. And I'm gonna be using this foundation by Wet n Wild in the color Mahogany, and then this flat top brush from Wet n Wild. And this is my favorite type of brush to use for this process. I have tried other brushes, but this is just the one that just works best for me. So yeah, I just take a little bit and go ahead and wipe that on there. Just an even layer. You don't want to put too much. You don't want to keep dipping, and you just want to kind of spread that first round around the brush.
Dirty South, dirty, dirty. Can y'all really feel me? Feel it. East Coast, feel me. West Coast, feel me. Dirty South, dirty, dirty, dirty. Can y'all really feel me? East Coast, feel me. West Coast, feel me.
Oh boy, I've been watching you like the hawk in the sky. That fly, and you are my prey. Boy, I promise you, if we keep bumping heads, I know that one of these days.
This wig is like already pre-plucked, so it really doesn't matter that I didn't pluck it. So I'm just gonna use the rat tail comb to just like press the lace down back here, make sure everything is nice and secure.
Baby girl, I'm the man from the big B day. Won't you come play around my way? And listen to what I gotta say. Simple thing, don't you know I am the man? Rock shows head with James Japan. Apple shake my hand. Baby girl, better known as Ali. Give me goosebumps and hot beat. Make a play, haters believe. Don't you know? Gotta tell somebody. Cause
if I let this go, you can't tell nobody. I'll tell nobody. Are you responsible? Boy, I can watch my back, so I'm not just hit back. Is it my goal? Is it your goal? Sometimes I'm good at good. Right now I'm not enough. Say yes or say no. I need somebody. Tell me there's somebody.
She my number one, I don't need nothing on the side. Said that I was done for good and don't want no more lies. But my phone be blowing up, temptations on my line.
Chop up the soul, Kanye. Set on his goals, Kanye. I hate the new Kanye, the bad mood Kanye, the always rude Kanye, spazzing the news Kanye. I miss the sweet Kanye. Chop up the beast Kanye. I gotta say, at that time I liked to meet Kanye. See, I invented Kanye. It wasn't any Kanye's, and now I look around and there's so many Kanye's. I used to love Kanye. I used to love Kanye. I even had the pink polo. I thought I was Kanye. What if Kanye made a song about Kanye? Call him Mr. Old Kanye. Man, that'd be so Kanye. That's all it was, Kanye. We still love Kanye, and I love you like Kanye loves Kanye.
So you guys, this is officially the finished look, and I did go ahead and add a couple of more baby hairs here, like on the sides, just because I feel like I didn't have enough for this unit. This is definitely one of those units that does require a little more baby hair because the lace doesn't necessarily melt in how some of my other lace fronts do. So I just want to throw that out there just so you guys know. But this is how my hair is looking right now up close. Here is this side. And yeah, super cute, right? So this wig, it does require a lot of just like playing around with it. You just have to like play around with it until you can get a style that you like. So just add a little mousse and you can get that hair out of the way, because I want everything curly but still like kind of going back. See? And then the mousse obviously adds like a beautiful shine to the hair. The middle part of my hair needs a little love, like back here. So I'm just gonna add a little mousse there and then just kind of like scrunch that up and out, almost like picking an afro in a sense. But yeah, you guys, this is pretty much the finished look. You guys did see me do this look before. I've definitely done this on another wig, and this would be my third time wearing a wig like this. I do like these Pixie wigs. I definitely think they're a great purchase. They're great for people who just want something quick to throw on, or people who just don't want to have a lot of hair all over them. As you guys know, we are fastly approaching spring and it is gonna start heating up. So having a wig like this is definitely gonna be great for the upcoming seasons. If you guys are interested in this unit, a link will be listed down below along with any coupon codes that I may have available. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much to OMG Queen for sponsoring today's video, and I'll see all of you guys in my next one. Bye!